Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video we'll discuss about the time bound open book hybrid examination as per the directives of Pokhara University 2021. And this slide is prepared by engineer Ravindra Adhikari, who is currently working at the Department of Research, Training, Innovation and Liaison at Cosmos College of Management and Technology. Thank you for providing this slide, and now let's get start the video. Okay, first of all we'll talk about the background. Okay, the pandemic has imposed the educational institution of the world to perceive the evaluation system differently, as it has limited the application of the physically proctored mode of the examination system. Now, therefore, upon the recommendation of Pokhara University Academic Council from its 84th meeting, Pokhara University Directives for Alternative Evaluation 2021 is enacted by the Executive Council of Pokhara University in order to regulate and guide the process of alternative evaluation of the student of bachelor, master and MPhil level. So approved date is 31 May 2021. Okay, this is the cover page of Pokhara University directives for alternative evaluation 2021, and here you can see the question set. Okay, time based open book hybrid examination question set. In next slide I will also show the question set pattern. Okay, so total evaluation modality. Okay, in final evaluation total 100% is divided into two parts. One is internal evaluation and another is external evaluation. Okay, other are final evaluation. Internal is 50% as per conventional method, and final evaluation will be 50% as per alternative evaluation. Okay, in internal evaluation two parts. Okay, one is theory and another is practical if possible. And in final evaluation one is time bounded open book hybrid examination TBO-BHE. Okay, written exam carries the 70% marks, and remaining 30% marks is online interview viva, and total 100% marks is then converted into 50% for final evaluation. Next, talk about the conduction of exam. Okay, examination is conducted by Office of Controller of Examination, PU. Okay, OCE in shortcut, Office of Controller of Examination, and questions are prepared by OCE, and college will facilitate the exam as an exam center. Examination committee will be formed at college to facilitate the examination, consisting of coordinator, internal examination head, subject teacher, IT related person. Any issues or information required to be communicated to OCE shall be done through the EC. Okay, EC shall manage for confidential evaluation of the answer sheet and forward all the evaluated answer sheet to the OCE PU, and OCE will review the answer sheets, scrutinize, amend, marking as necessary, and publish results. Further processing such as retotaling shall be done by OCE. Okay, Office of Controller of Examination. Time-bound open book hybrid examination consists of the analytical and critical question covering all the areas of the syllabus. Okay, one most important thing is that it consists both analytical as well as critical question, and the examination duration will be 2 hours, and the question formats are available. Okay, you can see here, this is the question format. In question format there are two sections. Section first is section A. In section A there are 5 questions. Each question carries 10 marks. Okay, and in section B there is one long question which carries the 20 marks. This is the question pattern, and overall the question carries the 70 marks. Okay, this is the question format, and Students shall follow code of conduct. Okay, code of conduct also student must be follow for taking the examination, which is given in the directives. Okay, so next one is time bounded procedure continue. Okay, students will receive the question in their official email in college domain 0 to 10 minutes before examination time. Okay, before examination time, student will receive the question in their official email in college domain. Okay, student shall position themselves in a comfortable and best possible manner, non-disruptive and well illuminated before the examination. Students shall join examination video conferencing via pre-shared link by college with camera and microphone on before the examination. Okay, the camera and microphone must be on, and the video will be recorded by the college through the either team or zoom or google meet, anything. Joining video conferencing via laptop is recommended, although it is suggested that they have a smartphone and data plan backup with all system ready. Students shall be prepared with normal black pen and sufficient pages of paper, A4 size, full-scape size, plain ruled only for writing answer. Okay, this is the A4 size paper. You can see here. Okay, either A4 size or full-scape paper. You can use any one of them, and you must also use the black pen for the writing of the answer sheet. Okay, next is students shall write their exam center code, PU registration number, exam roll number, level, program, semester, year, and subject on the cover page in pre-described format, preferably before the exam start time. Students shall write answer from second page only, and the answer shall be written on one side of the page only. Okay, this is the cover page for the student. This cover page must be prepared before the examination. The cover page includes all the topics: exam center code, PU registration number, exam roll number, label, program, semester, subject, signature, and date of examination. Okay, for every subject you have to prepare the cover page. Next, time bounded procedure, student perspective. The students shall download the question set and write the answer in the paper with pen. Students can refer study material, books, and internet while answering the exam questions. Write following in each page. Any page without page number and exam roll number shall not be considered for evaluation. Chronological page number in the top of each page and exam roll number on the top of each page. Okay, one page number and your roll number at the top of each page you have to write, and maintain appropriate margin on all side of the paper, about 1 inch. Okay, and student should complete written examination within given time. That means within 2 hours you have to complete your written examination, and after the examination is over, after 2 hours, student shall not continue writing. Okay, use suitable software, CamScanner or any other document scanner, Adobe Scanner, to scan all the pages of the answer sheet in page order and convert them into the single PDF format file. Then final PDF document shall be clear enough to read. Check if the PDF is blurred or oriented wrongly or cropped wrongly. Okay, the file name should follow the given format: exam center code, and then program, then semester, then subject, then roll number. Your PDF file should be in this type of format: first exam center code, then program, then semester, then subject, then roll number. First 509 is exam center code. This will be provided by the college at the day of examination, and next is program, BCB, and semester, and then subject, and then roll number. Okay, .pdf. This is the format of your PDF file. Okay, finally submit the PDF answer sheets to the official email ID of your college, will provided by the Office of Controller of Examination, PU, and then circulated to students. The email shall reach to the designated email address within 30 minutes of the completion of the examination, and email sent after the given time will not be considered for evaluation. Okay, make sure email is sent by viewing send message or other means. Okay, then important notes. Student must be present in the exam with mic and camera on without modifying background. However, student can put their speaker off or in small volume, okay, to prevent from the disturbance. And there could be some broadcast message during the examination time, hence follow the chat section of the meeting. Okay, you can put your speaker off or small volume, but follow the chat section for important message. Okay, make a backup option to join meet. Have your all device fully charged. Make secondary device, example another laptop or mobile phone, in standby mode to connect. Install app, login, mock test. Okay, if there is any issue with your primary device, take a mobile data plan, example Happy Learning Pack, for the exam date as a backup internet connection. If you are already in a data plan, have another SIM through which you can connect. Be prepared for the worst case scenario. You are our student, we may consider your serious excuses, but university won't. So please submit your answer sheet within the time 30 minutes. So if you submit after 30 minutes, then your paper will be disqualified for the examination. So university personnel can access the live meeting and may review the recorded meeting later. Okay, attendance will be done online, hence you need to be clearly visible on the webcam. Viva boss. Okay, first this is all about the first time bounded open book hybrid examination. Next, 30% marks is carried by Viva boss. The online interview or Viva boss shall be conducted by the concerned school or college. Online interview Viva boss shall be conducted in the presence of the following team: director, principal, department head, program coordinator, subject teacher, and one external examiner. Okay, the external examiner shall be appointed by the Office of the Controller of Examination, Pokhara University, and the duration of each online interview or Viva voice shall be of around 10 minutes. The marking of the online interview or Viva voice shall be divided as follows: and the director or principal or institutional head or department head or program coordinator, among them one person is present there, he gives the 10% marks, and for subject teacher 40%, and external examiner gives the 50% marks. Overall 100% marks is then converted into the 30%. Okay, so this is the marks distribution. And for Viva boss, the teacher shall ask a minimum of 5 questions. If a student fails to answer a question, an alternate question should be asked, and then that can be done twice. Okay, all online interview or Viva boss should be recorded, and the recording shall be saved on Google Drive or OneDrive or any other cloud online storage by the school or college. Any online interview or Viva boss without a recording is not considered to be valid. Okay, COVID case patient. For COVID case patient, any student with positive COVID-19 case, if not in position to attend the time-bound open book hybrid examination and or online interview Viva boss, he or she shall submit an application to the Office of Controller of Examination (OCE), Pokhara University, through the concerned school or college at least one day before the exam date of the particular subject. So with the application, the student shall submit an authentic report of the COVID-19 case. So after studying the case in detail, the Office of the Controller of Examination, Pokhara University, may arrange a separate exam for such students. Okay, move to next slide. Mock test as a preparation exam. There will be the mock test whose routine will be published by the college, and students shall attend the mock test for experience as well as the part of the internal evaluation. Okay, the mock test schedule will be published by college, and some college will already published. Okay, so this is about the mock test. And evaluation of mock test will also be done. It will be considered as a part of internal evaluation as well. Okay, in some college it will be taken as the part of internal evaluation. In some college already assessment examination were taken, so this is not considered. This is just for the visualization of the final examination. Okay, this is all about the mock test. Okay, if you have any queries, please ask your queries in the comment box, and I will help to remove your queries. And if you like this video, share this video to your friends, and hope that this video helped you to know about the alternative directives published by the Pokhara University for online examination. Okay, thank you for watching this video.